are launching especially our children portfolio and portfolio for women. So especially we launch product Tom 2, which is a children cot, and also the delivery bed and examination coach for obstetrics, Grazie. And we focus on the children, newborns, and of course women's. We believe that we should improve the market in Africa. Well, it's very nice. Every year it's improving, and we are glad about the organizers that they are improving every year. And of course, we are in direct touch with our customers. But also, it's quite good, that at Africa Health we can show them what is new, and that it's another occasion to be in touch. And then they can compare us with others, and they see that we have good products, good quality products. Again, I'm really glad that it's improving a lot in case of quality and standards, especially regarding the technical and certification, so that the customers are pushing, and they know they have the right to push, to have the good quality services, that they have the right to have the warranty, and the manufacturers that they are the one who are also responsible for that. So I'm glad that we are convincing every year more and more people that this is the right approach, that in the end it's more effective, and even in long-term perspective it's even effective in terms of budget and finance, because simply the equipment is long-lasting for 10, 15, maybe 20 years, not just for a couple of years.